Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to use the color palette and import that into Canva so you can quickly create your own designs on using the template that you just generated. So here I'm just using a website that generates color palettes for you. This is coolers.co. I am not sponsored. This is just one of the websites that I use from time to time. So you just go ahead and go in and click on Start the Generator. This one immediately allows you to have it generate some palettes, and you can see here, if you like a color, then you can keep it and you can lock it. Now it just makes sure that when you're generating the color, you're not going to lose it. I actually like all three of this. This one is too much, so I'm just going to leave it like that, and then you just press the space bar to continue on. And then as you can see, it's going to give you two more colors. And then I think that green one is a little bit ridiculous. So I'm just going to head and press again. And then there you go. You have all 5 colors. I am pretty happy with this, but in order to save time and when I'm designing in Canva, I don't really copy and paste all of these over and over again. So what I like to do is take a screenshot. So on Windows, I just do the quick snipping tool and I just create a screenshot including the name of the color and all of that. And then go ahead and paste it into a page here. And what that does is now you uploaded this image and it's on this design file right here. So now I just go up to my file, and when I choose the color, you'll see that there are 5 colors in my photo that I can use, and these are the 5 colors that I generated. I really hope this has helped you out, and this is a quick tutorial, but there's some additional things that you can play with over here. So let's say you don't like any of these colors, you can essentially sit here and go on for a while. And you're like, well, how do I know if it really works for me, right? So you don't, you just save what you like and go back to it, and that's okay. And then another thing you can do is I'm going to show you. You can create a palette from a photo. So let's say you do like a photo within here. We'll go to elements and let's search for a beach. Okay, this is a good photo right here, and I really like this photo. So what I do is um, pull up pull up this image in a larger scene, just like so. And then I would just download it and save it. And then upload it onto the color palette, and it'll pull that color palette for you. At the same time, instead of doing that, Canva automatically does it. So I don't really use it over there, but I just wanted to show you that you can. I'm going to delete this by changing the background to the beach colors here. So um, it's useful in that if you don't use Canva, that you can use this for other things and for Photoshop, and you can also create a collage. You can export, save if you log in and all that stuff. So here, I'm just going to go back to the main page. And I just want to show you that you can explore trending palettes. So if you're someone who doesn't like generating your own colors, you can click on Explore Trending Palettes here. And then you'll see what people like, right? There's some people makes really good palettes and they want to share it with other people. This one just tells you how popular it is and how often people save it. So there's a lot of color options here, and there's more as you go down. So just have fun, explore, see what you like. If you don't know where to start, I would say just search for something that you like and have a photo, go on Pinterest, save those photos and upload them either to Canva or like a website like this, and they'll help you find that color palette just for you. So thanks for watching.